here's one of my favorite numeracy challenges or activities to use in a math class called the 30 Scratch Challenge. It's derived from document problems we're solving, which I'll put a link in the description to. And yeah, the 30 Scratch Challenge, your goal is to make the numbers 1 through 30 using 4 given values, 4 given numbers. For this example, the numbers are 2, 4, 5, and 8. Typically, you want to use random numbers between 1 to 9, but you could use higher numbers or 0. You could use the same number twice, like as one of your 4 numbers. You're allowed to add, subtract, multiply, and divide to create the numbers 1 through 30. You can use 2 of the numbers, 3 of the numbers, or all 4 of the numbers in each box. There's some not allowed rules, so you cannot use a number twice. So I couldn't go, 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 2 is 4. That'd be using the number 2 twice. You cannot put 2 numbers together to make a 2-digit number, so I couldn't put 2 and 4 together to make 24. That doesn't work. You need to have an operation in between, and only basic operations are allowed. No square roots, exponents, but brackets are allowed. So my 4 numbers for this challenge are 2, 4, 5, and 8. Works about 90% of the time that you should be able to solve it with any random numbers between 1 to 9. So I'll get this one started, and then I'll post the maybe entire solution if I can do it. I just randomly pick those numbers in a separate video. So again, low floor, you can just start by encouraging students to go, start by adding some of these numbers. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. So in the box for 6, we'll just go 2 plus 4. And then ask them, well, is there anything you can do with subtraction? Oh, 4 minus 2. Yeah, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So you've already got 2 out of the 30 boxes done. We're trying to get the numbers 1 through 30. We're allowed to use 3 numbers. So what if you add 3 numbers together? Well, 2 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11. So in the box 11, we're already in that second column there. We're going to go 2 plus 4. You said that's 6. And then we're going to add 5. Well, what if we combine a little bit adding and subtracting? So what if we started at 6? 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we want to subtract 5. Oh, that's 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Subtract 5 is equal to 1. And then you can, add them all up and you'd get 19. That's a good number to get. It's typically a pretty challenging number, so why don't we write that in? 2 plus 4, add 5, and then it was add 8. Okay, what if we want to do some multiplication? So can we multiply a number like 2 multiplied by 4? Yep, that gives you 8. 2 multiplied by 4 gives you 8. 2 multiplied by 5 gives you 10. And I'll just wrap this up by doing something like, what if I did 2 multiplied by 8, which is 16? And then to kind of get students thinking a little bit more about this, you could use that as your base. Add and subtract some numbers around that. So we use the 2 and the 8 to get 16. What if we then subtract 4? Well, if we subtract 4, that gives us 12. That's a good one to get. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16 minus 4. Okay, what if we added 4? 2 multiplied by 8 is 16, and then we add 4 and we got 20. Right? So it's a way to just build number sense. Students will, try numbers out, see if they work, see if they don't, and I'll try and complete this in another video, but this is 30 Scratch Challenge. I'll put a blank document link in the description as well.